Hello guys, this is Pawan from Electronics. So today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how we can basically install Ngrok in our Ubuntu machine. Ngrok is nothing but a secure tunnel where we can basically I would say whatever the local IP we are accessing in our system, we can just make it publicly accessible. Suppose like you are running any web server or anything which is local in your machine, and you want to just share that IP or server to your friend or colleague to outside of your network. So for that purpose, you can use this Ngrok secure tunnel. This is very simple thing. You don't need to port forwarding and all these things in your router. So this is what we basically needed so that we can do our testing and development very fast. And we can also share to our colleagues and other friends so that they can also test on their system. So for that purpose, this is the thing. So I'll show you how we can achieve this thing here in Ubuntu machine. So what you need to do, you need to go to your favorite browser. So here I am opening Google Chrome, and here what I'll do, I'll just simply like here I can give Ngrok download. So here we go. So this is the first page. So in this page we will install the there are multiple options. So through for Linux, Mac OS, Windows, there are options are there. So we are it's as already it is detected we have a Linux machine. So we can go to for app download. Here we have the zip tar file, and then through snap also we can do. So snap is basically in latest Ubuntu machine we will have this snap already installed in it. So we'll go with this snap. I'll copy this thing. I'll just go to Control Alt T now, and here we have the terminal now, and we'll just paste this command and we'll hit enter, and it will ask for authentication. So we'll give authentication for that. So it's now downloading. Downloading has been started now. Okay. I'll fast forward this thing for you. Okay, so now we have the Ngrok installed. So we can just simply go Ngrok and help. So here we can see a lot of things are there now. So this is here we can see name Ngrok tunnel, local ports to public URLs, and inspect traffic uses and all are there. And there are terms of services and examples are there. So we will use one of the example of from this only. So basically we will forward our one port, basically Apache server is running in our system, and that I'll show you. And one Apache page basically we can open through that 127, or localhost also we can type. So if I'll just hit enter, here I had just edited in my last video also, I had just edited this thing. Instead of Electronics, here it was written like Apache 2. So now this page, and then if I'll just go to /phpMyAdmin, then my phpMyAdmin page will be open. So we will just, this is currently in a local network only. We'll make it publicly accessible so that in any network it can be open. So for that what we need to do, we need to just again go to here our in this terminal, and in this terminal if I'll just clear, and if I'll just go to Ngrok HTTP, because our Apache thing is running in 80 port. So if I'll just hit 80, And here you can see authentication field. User Ngrok requires a verified account and auto token. So for that we need to sign up for an account, and then we need to install auto token, and then we can able to access this thing. So for that purpose, what we need to do, we need to click on this sign up button. Okay, let's hit this. So here we go. So this is our sign up page now. So in this sign up Ngrok page, we will just simply write, let's say embedotronics tech. Email, I'll give, just say like my email I'll give. Okay, and password you can give any strong or anything, any password you can give. Okay, now we are signed up, redirecting. Okay, I'm just verify this thing. Okay, I have just basically verified from my email address. Now we can go to welcome to Ngrok. How do you describe yourself? You can say like anything, let's say software architect, IoT device connectivity, we can say what are you interested in using Ngrok for. So are you using Ngrok for development? So we can say development, let's say, and we'll continue. Here we go. This is the page now, embedotronics stack, and in this now we will just go to this your auth token. So this is our auth token. We'll just click on show auth token. We'll copy it and we'll go to terminal and we'll just paste it, because authentication should be visible. And now here you can see auth token saved to configuration file. This now we will just clear, and if I'll just now hit this thing, so here we go. So here you can see now our localhost 80, because 80 port we are just port forwarding. So this thing we can now, if I'll just click on this URL, basically I can see the web page of our Apache, and where I have edited on that and put it embedotronics. So if I'll just click on this or copy, let's say copy is this, and we'll just go to here, and sorry, this one we need to, our server is closed. We'll just again go to this, and here we can just simply copy, and here we can paste, and here you can see your site, you are about to visit this. The service are for free through ngrok.com. We can visit site, and here you can see this is the page. So this thing you can even you can get it in a different network. If I'll change the network from this, from here, and put it a different network, then also you can see this page. Even any remote network, you can visit this website now. And also same thing, we can now also go to PHP my admin, let's say, and see here you can see this remote, through remote also you can access PHP my admin page also. So I hope you got this thing, how we can basically install Ngrok and use it in Ubuntu machine. So Yeah, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.